morning, Spike. Okay, you guys. It's alright. Honey Bear, why must you cause problems? Hi, Spike. Go get some breakfast, buddy. Hey, go. Go. Go on, Honey Bear. I'm sorry, Spike. It's hard to be in a good mood around here, isn't it? Spike, you want some breakfast? Come on, baby. You still like me this morning, huh? Alright, Honey Bear, you want to come in? Spike's going to kick your ass. Hi, dogs. Alright, Honey Bear. One in. Hey, Spike. Alright, back to your charming self, I see. Is it all about my porch and my cat? Hi, buddy. Alright. Go have some breakfast. That's a good boy, Spike. Hey, buddy. I see. You're scared of the dogs. You're scared of my cats. Hey. Alright, well, it's me. Jeez.